Before we start with today's session, I wanted to give all the necessary community updates to the premium group members. Right. So the first thing is this 3 days basal implantology course, which is on right now from 12th to 14th of December. So those of you who missed the Kerala course can consider joining the Bhopal course if you're around in the north of India. That is by Dr. Mayuri Madam from 9th to 11th of Jan. And anyone who is closer to Mumbai or wishes to join me is welcome to join from 6th to 8th of Feb 2026. And we have started this special batch exclusively on zygomatic pterygoid and now bypass. It's a separate workshop with the provision of you placing the implants in the patient. So those of you who are keen can think about this as well. This is the unique sale which is started exclusively, which is the mega end of the year sale where you may land up getting close to 40% discounts for any of the products you may select. So just if you're keen on something like this, you can speak with Teresa Enterprise or take a screenshot of the price list. And if it works for you, you can go ahead with this kind of amazing offers. Now, always remember that any offer, any pricing given to you, everything comes with a specific timeline. So in case if you feel that this offer is good for you, just book it. We may or may not continue the offer, or we may have similar offers in the future. So whatever works for you, just make a decision based on what you are seeing. There's no need to counter check with anyone else in the group or create confusion regarding the offers. Right? Is a small glimpse of the pterygoid and zygomatic course with the two-piece implants, which happened for the resident doctors. So just those of you who have missed the glimpses, I'm just resharing it. It's just a 20-second video. Right? And this is like the fee structure. In case anyone is interested, you can make a screenshot. Also, this is for the final month because of the constant DMs and support. We are extending for this final time the prosthetic suite, which consists of the clinical videos of all the prosthetic steps for the one-piece basal implants as well as the two-piece implants screw retain systems, which will include not only your impression making but also your jaw relation, occlusion, and other tips and tricks related to prosthetic work in implantology. All the pre-recorded lecture webinars and the textbook on prosthetics related to the implantology work. So you can grab it at this amazing offer at 10,000 rupees. And of course, those of you wish to extend the premium group membership, you can go ahead with this small fees which you are routinely paying. Another major impact which you can make is discussing with an impact R-line mentor one-on-one for complete half an hour, where your entire case will be specifically discussed with an impact R-line mentor. You can book the slot just like you're booking the movie tickets, and you can cover selection of implants, temporization, prosthetic planning. The mentor will guide you about the possible challenges and troubleshooting, and also probably guide you if need be later on during your prosthetic workflow. So you can definitely book one-on-one mentorship, case discussion mentorship before you do any of your cases with the impact R-line implants. How many of you find this is simply amazing? Just type come amazing in the comment box. Someone, where you're always stuck up, you're thinking what to do for this case, and you would want an expert to guide you. And now you have the provision to, of a click of a button, to select a one-on-one video call with an expert mentor and discuss your cases. Of course, you'll have to share your X-ray and other clinical records. And once that is shared, you can book your slot with the mentor and discuss your cases before you initiate treatment. Right? Next, we have the OsseoTap, which is another game changer. I'm sure all of you who have been using it find this extremely amazing. Those of you who want to understand how to use the OsseoTap, my team people will share the video link, or you can search it on YouTube channel, and you will see exactly how to use the OsseoTap, which will tremendously improve your confidence level while placement of the implant, selection of the implant, and judging the bone quality. You can also opt for one-on-one mentorship free of charge in your clinic, along with the purchase of impact R-line implants. Or as mentioned yesterday in the group also, that if you wish that I need to support you, you can just let us know and get the patient to our clinic, and I will be helping you one-on-one for doing your cases. Thank you so much for the support to this amazing machine. We put our heart and soul into designing it, and it's amazing that so many doctors are loving it. And of course, the special offer continues for this premium group members for it. Thank you so much. I got so many DMs yesterday for this initiative. It's a totally dedicated 3-hour upliftment program where I will be dedicating 3 hours on a weekly basis to train and guide the implantologists of tomorrow, and whoever wishes to place basal implants full mouth or conventional implants full mouth, whether it's a zygoma case, pterygoid case, now bypass case, and if you feel that you are not confident or you want to have an edge with the tips and tricks, then definitely you can opt for this training program. I don't intend to earn from this. This is just, I want to reciprocate to the community by giving 3 hours on a weekly basis to whoever. Now, next week, I think is already booked, and the week after is also almost booked. So those of you who are interested can kind of book the week after that, and so on. The waiting list will keep increasing, but every week I promise to, for the entire next year, to help and provide 3 hours of my service to kind of develop the implantologists of tomorrow. Now, this is something which was always close to my heart. And now, with the help of Dr. Shamsullah, for the first time in this premium group, we are announcing the prosthetic mastery course in patients with conventional implants. And this will be actual patients, no models, no shortcuts, complete protocols of impression making, digital impression protocols, 5-minute jaw relation techniques, one-shot impression techniques, where you will be confidently restoring single unit segments all on X, discussions on basal implant prosthetic workflows, choosing the correct abutment collar height angles for the two-piece implants, perform reliable jaw relations, and deliver full arch temporaries in less than 20 minutes. So these are all the amazing prosthetic things you can get into. And those of you who are like keen on providing an edge in your practice with the two-piece implants prosthetic workflow, this is the program you can attend, IPM. Okay, and transform the way you think, plan, and communicate about implant prosthetics. So this is what I wanted to announce in this premium group, and I hope all of you find this equally exciting. How many of you would be keen on a program like this where you learn the protocols not only of the prosthetic basal but also of the how to manage the screw retained prosthesis, broken temporaries, zirconia fractures, open contacts, speech and phonetic issues, occlusal concepts, peri-implantitis, loose screws, and get much more also in written format where you can really have a confidence when it comes to prosthetics in implantology in your practice. Great. So that's regarding all the community updates which